Hello everyone! Today I will make a Rice Krispies. This is Rice Krispies cereal, 40 pieces big marshmallows, a 1/4 cup of butter, and 1/2 TSP of vanilla extract. First thing guys, I will melt this butter, followed by these marshmallows. Then I will add this vanilla extract and Rice Krispies. Then after that, I will put this in the baking pan. I will melt the butter. Then after I melt this guys, I will add the marshmallow. Yeah, it's still, Now, since that the butter already melted, I can add my marshmallow. Then, once the marshmallow melted, guys, I will put my vanilla extract. But I will wait. Then I'll turn on the heat a little bit high. Yeah, I need to stir this, guys, good, or else this will burn, I guess. Yeah, it's getting there. Yeah, this marshmallow need to be melted. Need to be melted. Okay, I will hold the pot just in case we'll have accident. I can put the vanilla now. I will put 1/2 TSP vanilla, guys. Shake it good. 1/2 TSP of vanilla. Just scatter it. Oh, it's kind of. I just need to remove this now. I need to stir it good, guys, or else this will burn. Stick to the bottom, eh? Just stick to the bottom, kind of burning. Once this is melted, guys, this marshmallow, I can put the Rice Krispies. But right now, it's not fully melted yet. So I guess stir. Because it's sticking to the bottom now. Kind of, burning, whatever. We're getting there, guys. You're getting there. It's just some are still not fully melted. They still have more. still have. Now I can put my Rice Krispies, guys. I need to hold the pot just in case. Just in case I, just in case I will have an accident. I prefer to use the other, than this now. Excuse me, guys. I need to get another spoon. Where's my other one here? Not this one. I don't know where it's at. Because this one, I can't, good. I need to mix it quick because the marshmallow. Yeah, I need to mix it quick because it's getting harder because of the marshmallow, guys. So constant mixing need to be so that the marshmallow will, to the Rice Krispies. Okay. Oh, I'm a left-handed, guys, so I prepare that way. Now I will put this in this, guys. See, in this baking pan. So I should move faster than this. But my spatula, where are you? Because it's getting harder. Excuse me, I need to get something. It's better. No, I guess. Oh, it's thick now, guys. That's why I said I need to move faster. I need to move faster. I need to hold this. Just in case I have an accident again. Like a while ago. Okay, guys. I guess I need to let it cool down. I need to let it cool down. Then later, slice this into square. And this is the Rice Krispie. I'll just kind of, it is. This is the result of Rice Krispies, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.